Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background to dark in Outlook Office 365. We'll walk through both new Outlook and the classic Outlook desktop app so you can pick the method that matches what you're using. The goal is to reduce eye strain and give your inbox a look that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light. Let's start with new Outlook. Open Outlook and look to the top right corner for the gear icon, which is your settings. Click that, then go to General, and choose Appearance. In the Dark Mode section, select Dark to turn on a consistent dark look, or choose Use System Settings if you want Outlook to follow your computer's light or dark preference automatically. When you're happy with your choice, click Save. You should see the interface shift right away. If you prefer a theme that adapts throughout the day, Use System Settings is a great option. If you want a steady, high-contrast look, pick Dark and you're done. You can revisit these options anytime from the same place to fine-tune the look. Now, if you're using the classic Outlook desktop app, the setting lives in the Office theme, which controls not just Outlook, but other Office apps as well. One way to change it is to go to File, then Options. In the window that opens, make sure you're on the General tab. Look for the section called Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office, and find the Office theme drop-down. Choose black for the deepest dark appearance, or dark gray for a slightly softer look. After you've made your selection, click OK to apply the change. There's also a quick path in the classic app if you prefer. Go to File, then Office Account. Under Office Theme, open the drop-down and select black. Use the back arrow to return to your inbox, and you'll see the dark background right away. This setting applies immediately to Outlook and carries over to other Office apps, which is handy if you like a consistent experience across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. That's all you need to change the background to dark in Outlook Office 365. Thanks for watching.